What's going on, Mixin' Nights? I am Nathan Mixon with MixonFitness.com, and in this video we are going to do a jump rope exercise, or workout for that matter. Now you're just going to need a jump rope. If you're not familiar with how to utilize this jump rope or do a basic jump, make sure you go check out the previous video, and I'll link it in the top right hand corner here. And also too, with that, jump roping is going to be great for helping you burn as many calories as you can. We should burn around 200 to 300 calories in this particular exercise, so be ready to sweat. Also, if you're new here, make sure you subscribe to the channel and turn on your push notifications so you don't miss these weekly updates. Mixin' Nights, hit and flex on that like button and share the video, and let's get started. So we're gonna put the jump rope down for now. We're gonna start off with the basic warm-up. All right, we're gonna do a run in place in 3, 2, 1. Let's go. All right. Keep that core tight, breathe in your nose, and warm that body up. 10 seconds left. 3, 2, 1, and break. Walkouts are next. Walkouts are great for your core, your shoulders, your quads. Halfway there. We're done in 3, 2, 1, and break. Jumping jacks. Warm the body up, get full range of motion with this workout. And we're at the halfway point. Keep going. 3, 2, 1, and you're done. Skaters. Skaters are great for the IT band. Also great for your joints too as well, including your ankles. You're making this look too easy. Three, 2, 1, and break. Calf jumps are next. Calf jumps are great for building your calves, but it's also good for your core too as well. Keep it tight. Stay on the balls of your feet. 3, 2, 1, and break. All right. So this is your chance to beat the heat. Drink water, grab your jump rope, because we're about to get into the basic jump. Like I said, if you're not familiar with how to do a basic jump, make sure you check the link out that's in the description below. Grab your jump rope, beat the water, or you drink your water if you need to. Let's get ready for the basic jump. Keep your feet no more than 2 inches from the ground. 3, 2, 1, and break. Push-ups are next. Push-ups are a great way to build up the chest muscles, core, and legs. Keep those glutes down. 3, 2, 1, and break. Basic jump. Keep those arms glued to your body. Elbows should be tucked. 3, 2, 1, and break. Mountain climbers. Mountain climbers are great for your core, so tuck that belly button in. Keep your shoulders over your wrist. Bring those knees closer to your chest. 3, 2, 1, and break. Basic jumps. Engage your core the whole entire time during this workout. 3, 2, 1, and break. Don't put your rope down. We still have basic jumps to do. Keep that core engaged, shoulders back. 3, 2, 1, and break. Push-ups are next. Ten seconds left. Knock them all out. 3, 2, 1, and break. Basic jumps. Make it look easy. 3, 2, 1, and break. Mountain climbers are up. Climb a little bit faster. 3, 2, 1, and break. Basic jumps. Halfway there. 3, 2, 1, and break.
Woo! That was a long jump. Excuse my French. Anyway, make sure you drink the water, beat the heat. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, make sure you do so. Turn on those push notifications, hit the like button, grab your rope. We're gonna get ready to jump right back into action.
All downhill from here. 3, 2, 1, and break. Body squats are next. Body squats are great for building up your glutes, your quads, and also your core. Very important here, keep the knee behind the biggest toe. 3, 2, 1, and break. Basic jumps.
Okay.
Take your time. Don't forget to breathe during this part. 3, 2, 1, and break. Reverse lunge. This is going to be great for your glutes, your quads, your core, full body workout. Maintain a 90-degree angle with both legs. 3, 2, 1, and break. Basic jump. Stay relaxed during this jump. Let's start picking up the pace. 3, 2, 1, and break. Last half, basic jump. Maintain a perfect posture. 3, 2, 1, and break. Body squats. Look over the horizon and keep your arms parallel to the ground to maintain balance. 3, 2, 1, and break. Basic jumps. So we basic. Maintain that balance. Remember the fundamentals. 3, 2, 1, and break. Reverse lunge. To maintain your balance, alternate your arms. Keep your feet shoulder width apart. 3, 2, 1, and break. Last jump, make it count. This is it. Finish strong. 3, 2, 1, and congrats.
All right. So that is it. So awesome workout if you're trying to really get into shape. Remember, jumping rope is one of the best ways to lose weight. If you don't like to run, this will be your alternative, all right? I'm going nipple up. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you want to see more like this, make sure you leave a comment down below. Tell me what's missing. Tell me if you like what you're seeing. You know, let's have a conversation. Subscribe to my channel if you're new here. Turn on your push notifications so you don't miss the next one. Make sure you share and like this video, and I'll catch you on the next one. Peace. Oh, wait a minute. There's a stretching video that you follow. I'm gonna put that in the description down too, so make sure you stretch. All right, peace.